What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today is a little bit of a different video. I have some wheel covers from EVBase. They were kind enough to provide them for me and send them out. So this is a sponsored video, but I'm going to give you guys my honest opinions and tell you what I think about them. So let's go ahead and unbox the wheel covers that they sent me. They also sent me, I'm trying to find them, I don't know where they're at. Let me go ahead and find them. They also sent me these really cool red logo covers that I can snap on the wheels once they're done. They just have some adhesive on the back. So hopefully that will look really good. So let me go ahead and pull these guys out and I'll show you what they look like. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. I just pulled it out of this like bubble wrap sleeve, but let's pull this off. Looks pretty good. So this is what they look like. It's like a matte black turbine-esque wheel cover. So EVBase was kind enough to send them to me, and also those wheel caps, the wheel cap covers, these guys. So this just simply goes, let me open it, just goes right here on top, like that. And it'll just cover, it'll go over the wheel entirely. It'll replace the ones that came with the car, and then we'll just snap this guy on. Make sure we line it up with the air hole cover there. So here's the back. If I take this off, this just snaps into the middle here, and also around the sides. It did also come with like this tape material that I'll show you guys how to install, and it just goes all around the sides, and it's to go against the vehicle and to protect the rim. So let's go ahead and start that process. All right, so as you guys can see, I have the wheel cover, or one of the wheel covers up here on the counter. So here's that tape material that it came with. It just peels off, and you basically peel it and then wrap it around the edge there so that it protects against this is what touches the rim, protects from scratching against the rim. It also did come with like regular black covers for the cap right here in the middle, but I was able to get the red T logo, so that should be looking pretty cool. So it also came with, in this bag, this like removing tool. I don't know if I'll use it because it'll probably go against the rim and scratch it. So I might just use my hands when we go out there. I'm going to wrap the tape here that I have along all four wheels, and then we'll go outside to the car and try to put it on. So just bear with me here. So we just completed one of the wheels. So when you come back around to the side here, you can simply just take this and just like use your nail and finger, just rip it off, kind of like Scotch tape or something. So yeah, I'll just go around and make sure it looks tight and it's on there properly. Up in the corner, looks really good. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of these other wheels, and then we'll go out to the car and put them on. All right, guys, so we're out here at the car. Please forgive my wheels. We just got back from our Redwood trip, so I was able to clean the car yesterday, but the wheels are still a little dirty, as you guys can tell. So let's go ahead and pull these off. So how you pull them off, you simply can just put your hand behind here and like pull them off. But there's also, I think my hands are a little too big, so I think I'm gonna get that tool that it came with. All right, so here's the tool. We're just gonna go back behind here, pull off. I think you're supposed to. There we go. Pop them off just like that. So let's go ahead and pop off the rest. Cool. Looks how good I was able to pop them all off. So now I think you just get in here somehow and pop off the center. That's how you get it off. So this is what the original wheel looks like, the one that comes with the car. It looks honestly really, really cool. It would look pretty sweet with maybe some wheel caps and the cover on top. But let's go ahead and install the one that EVBase sent me. And again, apologies for it being dirty. There's also these guys here. It comes with this blue tape on the back. So it might be a little bit of a pain to get off, but just bear with me while I take it off. All right, let's go ahead and stick it onto the wheel cap. All right, it looks pretty slick. What do you guys think? All right, so what you guys have to do next is you have to line up the wheel hole here with the air nozzle there. You do it over. Bear with me. I think it looks actually really, really good. It looks pretty simple, but it really, really cleaned up the look and it made it look a little bit more aggressive, especially with the red. And how you take it off is pretty simple as well. You basically just take this and pull off, just like the other one. So let me go ahead and do the rest of the wheels and I'll show you guys the final product. Hey guys, so let me know what you guys think of those wheel covers. I really think that they've grown on me. I've actually had them on for about, I don't know, about 4 or 5 days, so almost a week. And I actually at first didn't really enjoy them that much. I probably would have personally picked a different design if I had the choice, but EVBase was kind enough to send them out to me and provide them for me, so I was like, hey, why not? And they have been, at first I was worried about like the range and what the range degradation would look like, to see if they're any more or less aerodynamic than what the aero covers that came with the car. So honestly, I haven't really noticed much. I think my energy is just about the same. I haven't really tested it in depth in terms of like, setting a new trip and seeing if my watt hour per mile went down or my range usage went down. But honestly, I think they look really cool. The red cap just really pops. The red T, that is, really just pops the wheels. And I have another friend who has the launch edition Model Y. He really, really enjoyed them and he thought they were super cool. And he was like, hey, send me the link to those. Which reminds me, EVBase actually provided me a discount code link. So if you guys want, you can use the discount code in the description. I'll provide that for you guys. Right now it's 20%, but they told me that between I think November 13th and December 1st or so, they're having 26% off of these wheel covers and I think some other items that they have on their website. So please take advantage of that and check it out. So if you guys really enjoyed it, please also like and subscribe. I know this technically was a sponsored video, but I tried my best to give you guys my personal opinion on them and review. But if you guys are interested in the wheel covers, feel free to click the link down below. I also have my referral code down there if you guys want to pick up a Tesla. They're still running some good deals right now, and if you guys use my link, you'll also get 3 months free of FSD. 14.1.4 is out right now for the public, and I believe 14.1.5 is coming out shortly. I haven't noticed that much of a difference. I've been running 14.1.4 since my Redwoods trip, which, keep an eye out for that. I'm still working on that video. But yeah, all in all, I really enjoy these wheel covers, and if you guys do too, go ahead and grab yours down below in the link. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.